Welcome to today's eye-opening exploration of Mac malware. Ever wondered how your Mac could fall victim to malware? Let's uncover 5 surprising ways malware can infect your system and the crucial role of tools like Mac Boost in safeguarding your Mac. 1. Email attachments and phishing attacks. Malware often sneaks in through seemingly harmless email attachments or phishing attempts. Clicking on suspicious links or downloading infected files from emails can introduce malware into your Mac. Mac users should exercise caution and verify the sender's authenticity before opening attachments. Tools like Mac Boost play a pivotal role in detecting and removing such threats from your system. 2. Fake software downloads and pirated content. Another surprising entry point for malware is through fake software downloads or pirated content. Unverified websites offering cracked software or free downloads might harbor malicious payloads. Utilizing reputable sources and avoiding unlicensed software not only protects your Mac from malware but also emphasizes the importance of utilizing tools like Mac Boost for regular scans and removal of potential threats. Scene 3. Infected USB drives and external devices. Malware can hitch a ride on external devices like USB drives. Plugging in infected devices to your Mac can lead to malware infiltration, spreading across your system. It's crucial to scan external devices before connecting them to your Mac. Tools like Mac Boost offer real-time protection, detecting and eliminating malware before it infiltrates your system. 4. Malicious websites and drive-by downloads. Visiting malicious websites or falling victim to drive-by downloads, where malware installs without your consent, poses a significant threat to Mac users. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or visiting unsecure websites. Employing Mac Boost helps in identifying and eradicating malware obtained through inadvertent website visits, ensuring a safer browsing experience. 5. Software vulnerabilities and outdated systems. Lastly, overlooking software updates or running outdated operating systems exposes your Mac to vulnerabilities that malware can exploit. Regularly update your Mac's software and system to patch security flaws. Tools like Mac Boost can complement this by actively scanning for potential vulnerabilities and offering proactive protection. Conclusion. Mac users, be vigilant. Malware finds its way into systems through various unexpected avenues. Utilizing tools like Mac Boost acts as a shield, detecting and eliminating malware threats, ensuring a secure Mac environment. Remember, maintaining awareness and employing reliable protection measures like Mac Boost are essential steps in safeguarding your Mac from the stealthy threats of malware. Concluding remarks. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more insights into Mac security. Share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below, and remember, a protected Mac is a happy Mac. Until next time, stay safe.